welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 15th of July, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, guys, halfway through the month. I'll tell you what,
It's halfway through the year.
Quick. It's over
Halfway through the year.
Man, I think about it, another 4 months we're going to be getting Christmas trees.
No.
Holy cow.
I know, but another 2 months we'll be buying Christmas presents.
Exactly. Holy cow. It's moving quick. It's moving quick, guys. A lot to be done this year. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in just a second. Well, that's some good sweet tea. Just made it this evening. Again, you're going to have to put up with the air conditioner running because it's about 800 degrees in Georgia this week. So we're staying as cool as we can. And by cool, I mean we're down to hot, right?
Well, they said the heat index, when I was listening to the news first thing this morning, they said the temp at 12 was 101.
Yep.
By 4 o'clock it was going to be 105. Now, they didn't say anything about the heat index, but that was the heat.
That was, and with that humidity, holy cow. I met a young man from Utah into last week.
Yeah?
I asked him how he's doing with the heat. He said, this is crazy. He said, we have heat back home. You have soup here. I said, it's like living in a bowl of hot soup. And he said, it really is. He couldn't wait to get back home to Utah where it's just plain hot, not hot and moist and muggy and up. But anyhow, let's talk about this week in the shop. It's all about the bathroom. That's right, Johnny's room. We are doing a lot of work over at the other house. We've got a new tub in. We've got walls changed around and moved.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how to explain the rooms. Maybe if you think about when you used to come down the hallway and there was Bulla's room there, and then you went into what was Reebok's room, and then Daniel's room, and then Bulla's room, and it's been kind of in everybody's room. But when you walked in the door, there was a closet, and that closet kind of faced this way, and then beside it, it had another closet that faced that way. So if you're looking down over the top of the building or over the top of the house,
it had two boxes basically
like
side by side, pointing in.
Side by side. We swapped those boxes now. So now the closet that was open towards Bulla's room is now on the back side. I know it's kind of confusing, but
you'll love it when you see it.
Yeah, we moved a wall and moved 2 closets around to make room for a vanity and a closet. We got, or not a closet, but a stand. We got a special surprise for Jay on that stand. Surprise.
Thank you, Jay.
Yeah, thank you, Jay. But anyhow, that's what it's all been about. Now, we did do a little bit of work in the shop, just not a lot. One of the things we did was we did this right here, and that's Mama's Friend's cutting board that we've been working on. And we're going to get more into that in just a second. All right, guys, let's move on. But that's really all we did this week.
That's all we did was plane some boards. Everything else has been about the bathroom.
All right, now, let's talk about upcoming for Two Dogs. We're going to finish the bathroom. Now, what do we got left to do? We're going to put the flooring
down tonight.
Flooring down tonight. We're going to try to set we're going to put the flooring down, drill the holes for the plumbing and the electrical. We're going to try to get the plumbing fixture set tomorrow, which are the sink, the toilet, and maybe get the plumbing run to it. Then that'll be tomorrow night. And
then Wednesday we get the light fixture, so at least we have one light that works in the room.
Wednesday we're going to try to get the light fixture in there. Thursday we'll be kind of connecting everything up and getting it all up and running. Everybody will be here Friday for what's happening this weekend. Right?
It is Dana's birthday, a whole 5, Doodlebug.
Birthday.
Yep, and we're having the party on Saturday.
So the party's Saturday, so everybody's coming into town on Friday night, so we're going to try to get everything together. Now, it won't be painted and finished. We'll do that after y'all leave, but we'll have the hopefully the new bathroom up and running by Friday evening. Anyhow, that is the plan.
More room for more girls.
More room. That's what the whole plan is. And let's talk about that. What the plan is for the yellow house, since that is going to be primarily woodworking. Right now, it's to move that bathroom. After the bathroom's moved, right next to it is the laundry room. And this is Bulla's old bedroom that we did. And we've cut it up in 1/3 of the size of the room is going to be for the laundry room, and then 2/3 for the bathroom.
That's right.
Finish the bathroom, then we're going to start on that laundry room, move the laundry room over there for Mama, take it out of the shop so she doesn't have to hike across the yard anymore. And then we're going to take and put a laundry sink in there. There's going to be an extra bathroom.
An extra toilet.
Yeah, an extra toilet. We've got to have more commodes for all these little girls that are growing up here. It's not like it was in the old days when y'all were growing up.
More boys.
So, we're going to need more facilities for all these little girls, and that's what we're working on right now. Then after we get that laundry room done, we're going to remove the wall where the bathroom is now.
Remove the bathroom all the way back to Michael's wall.
The boys, there used to be the boys' old room. And we're going to set that up as part of the kitchen, and so when you enter through that odd door right there in the mudroom, you'll be entering into the kitchen area from here on out. Then we're going to take and move from the kitchen over to that area. And where the kitchen is, I think we decided we're going to set the pool table up and everything over there. And that wall that's got all the metal signs on it, we're going to put the TV over there.
Yep.
And kind of turn that room from facing this way to facing that way. And that should give us a bunch more room in there.
Put some couches, put some tables where we can sit and eat.
We're going to work on that one wall there where the glass door is, try to get that squared away. And we're going to redo the mudroom, but I'm not going to tell them what that's going to look like.
Nah,
let them
it'll be
see
good
that when that's done. That'll be a surprise for everybody. But that is the plan right now. So next up is the laundry room. Alrighty guys, now what else is going on in the shop? Well, here are two dogs. We are bored out of our minds. We have more boards. We have everything. Now all this stuff.
Odd-shaped boards.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. A pointing finger board.
A man.
A shmoo. Y'all look up what a shmoo is, but a shmoo waving hi to you. We've got hickory boards. Now this hickory board was cut December 23rd, 2016, 1 year after we got the sawmill. This stuff is beautifully dry, absolutely gorgeous. Cut that for a friend of Michael's. But we got all sorts I'm going to save that one here. We've got all sorts of boards that we need to do stuff with. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be making cutting boards. We're going to be making, dog water feeder stations. Look at this piece of walnut we got from Michael a year and a half ago.
Isn't that gorgeous?
This is some gorgeous stuff, and that's what we're going to be doing. But we have got all sorts of boards. So the idea is for us to start using some of these. I mean, there's just tons of them here.
Some of them we're trying to use. This is an piece of artwork.
That's some that we started on, but we've got all this stuff to do. So we're bored out of our minds. But it's not bored because we don't have anything to do. We're bored because we got too many boards. So there's so much. Oh, hand me that black walnut right there. Now this black walnut doesn't look like much now, but the next time you see it, it is going to be gorgeous. But we have tons of this. We don't want to have it sitting here in the shop. We have it in the storage shed. Got a ton in the mom cave. Who knows? There's probably a couple boards over at the house even. There are boards everywhere. So we're going to be doing a bunch of projects with those boards. We're going to shoot some short videos of those. These are probably 5 to 10 minute videos just kind of showing what we're doing with these boards. I've got 4 or 5 boards sitting over here. Look like trash boards. We're going to show you what they look like once we run them through the planer and get them squared away and make some projects out of them. So a lot coming up. First on the plate, the yellow house, we're going to get it squared away. Next on the plate, we're going to start using some of these boards around here. Alrighty guys, let's move on. Alrighty, well I think that's about it for this evening. We have covered a lot of stuff. Do you have anything?
No, just can't wait to get the yellow house organized where we can be happy to have our guests. We have room for people.
We'll have a bunch of guests this
our
weekend.
family's expanding and we got no room.
Yeah, we got to work on that and looking forward to the big party.
We are.
This
big
Saturday.
Party Saturday for Dana.
Tie-dye party this weekend.
It is a tie-dye party. Yes,
it is. Got to bring a t-shirt to that one because it's a bring your own t-shirt type of party. We're going to be doing some tie-dye and having a good time over at the Butterbean's house celebrating her 5th birthday. Still like to throw the remembrance and reminder out there that Raven entered the world 2 weeks ago tomorrow.
Yes.
It does not seem like that. It's possible.
That's
awesome.
And she's so sweet.
Yeah, I got to see all my little girls yesterday for dinner time. It was a great day yesterday. Well, I really do think that's about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.